Want to know how to analyze and compare competitor products in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first is simply open up your AgentGPT website. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done and once you're under this interface, you should be under the Agent Deployment tab by default. And now once you're under the Agent Deployment tab, here you can just simply name an agent anything. Now just simply type in this code right here or the prompt in the prompt box. So right here, as you can see, what I have said is analyze these competitor products, compare the features, pros, cons, and provide actionable insights for improvement. So you can just simply type in the same, or you can just simply add your own customizable prompt as well. So just simply select enter or play, and it should execute your code and create an agent that you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more such videos. See you in the next one.